Hey guys, good morning. Happy Friday, Facebook. Happy Friday, YouTube. TGIF, we made it. Okay, this morning I'm doing something that I've done actually in the last 6 months, and I thought maybe you guys may be interested in knowing what I'm doing. What I do is that I make dog and cat treats using the salmon skin from smoked salmon that you normally would just, throw away. I do this. I've been doing this for the last 6 months, and I thought, my friend's like, why don't you share this tip with everybody else? I'm like, you know what? You're right. Because what do we do after we're done with our smoked salmon? What do we do? What do we do with the skin? Tell me in comments. We just throw it away. But cats and dogs love this stuff after you dry it. Did you know this? It's kind of like salmon crackers for them, or salmon cookies. So I'm just going to basically do what I was planning on doing this morning, but I'm just going to share it with you guys, and I hope you guys don't mind. In case we've never met, personally, one-on-one. My name is Kristen LeDuc. I'm the owner of Porch Nook, a decorative paint business located in Folsom, California. Yeah, I paint furniture, but I also do other DIY stuff. And you guys basically witness my successes and my failures. And that is okay, because we do it together. We cheer together and we cry together. I see the numbers popping up, feel free to shoot something in comments to me. I'd love to hear from you. I'd like to know who you are and where you're watching from. I'd love to say hey back. Okay. Here we go. You ready? Who out there has four-legged family members? Cats and dogs. They love salmon, right? They love fish. I love fish. So I love to get these. This is really the only time I get salmon in my body is when I get these packs of smoked salmon. Actually, this one's from Costco. I love it. What is it? It's honey roasted salmon. I love it. I do not get a commission from Costco, guys. This is just what I do every day. #real life. And what I'm going to do here with you guys right now is I'm just going to show you how I create using the salmon skin to make pet treats. It's so easy. You're going to impress your friends, but really, can I tell you, it's embarrassingly easy. So I'm just going to do it for you guys. Hey, Stacy, new viewer from Kentucky. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited you're here. Thanks for the shout out, Stacy. So here I go. It's only going to be a few minutes, guys. I know you're very busy. I just wanted to, I'm going to do this anyway this morning, so I thought might as well just put this on screen so you guys can get this tip too. I'm going to flip you guys around. I'm going to put you guys on a clip, and I'm just going to show you how stinking easy it is. So really all you need is, of course, any pack of smoked salmon. Again, I got this at Costco, but you can get it from anywhere, right? You need a line. I like to line my cooking pan with tin foil just for easy cleanup. And then you also just need a container for the salmon. For the humans, you got to contain it and refrigerate it. So get yourself a container, put that on the side, and you just need a cutting board and a knife. That's it. So let's just get started. Again, it's only going to take a few minutes. So stinking easy. You know what? I'm going to do this. Cutting board. So all you do, you guys are going to be like, you know what, Kristen, this is very anticlimactic. This is very easy. But I'm all about the easy stuff because Mama's busy. Mama's got things to do. I don't know how you guys feel about your days, but I got window trim to work on. So this is going to be really quick. So you just remove it, put aside the wrapping, and it's really easy just to separate the salmon skin from the meat. So tell me in comments, what do you normally do with the salmon skin after the humans are done eating the salmon? You just throw it away. But I realized, oh my gosh, my dogs would, I know first of all they love salmon, but I thought, you know what, you can just use the salmon skin and make crispy treats by drying them in the oven. That's all we're doing. So here's the skin, easy peasy, just peeled right off. I'm going to just put this aside for a second. I'm gonna get my trusty container that I put to the side for myself. Put the human part to the side, shove it aside. Save that for appetizers for later tonight. Okay, next I'm just gonna trim up the salmon skin. You guys are gonna be like, Kristen, this is so embarrassingly simple. But really, we never think about it, do we? We never do. So you just take the salmon skin and you can cut it either way. You can do it the short way or the long way. I like to do it the short way because it just creates more pieces for the dogs. And all you do is slice it up. And during this time, I've got the oven preheating at 225 degrees. And that's just for drying purposes. This salmon is already cooked. It's smoked, it's cooked. But my goal is just to dry it to give it a crunchy texture for my dogs. And you know what? My dogs, they always need what we call a sweetener in their food in order to get them to eat on a schedule. And I'd like to sometimes take these salmon skins, crumble it into their food, and that entices them to eat their food they're supposed to eat. But also I just like to give these as kind of like you hand over a bone. I hand them over a strip of salmon skin. Then you just get your cookie sheet. The cookie sheet is not greased up. It is not buttered. It is not sprayed because there's enough oil in the salmon skin. And you simply lay it down, guys. And then you're going to pop it in the oven for a couple of hours. Let me know in comments if you like this idea. Again, for those who are just joining us, I'm just making dog and cat treats by using the skin from smoked salmon. This is something that you guys already throw away anyway, so why not give it to your dogs and cats? It's good for them. You feel good about giving it to them, and that's it. All right, so I'm just gonna take the camera off the clip. Oops, sorry about the click noise there. And that's it. That's it. So I'm just gonna pop these in the oven for a couple of hours. I like to, okay, confession. I sometimes forget, if I don't have Alexa set, like beep at me really loud to tell me to get something out of the oven, I will forget about it. That's just how I work. I'm always on to the next thing. So I like to pop this into the oven at least a couple of hours. But just as for safety measures, I like to do it 200 to 225 degrees because it'll never burn. It's just drying, you know. So in case you forget it's in there, don't forget. If you forget, it's at a low temperature. It won't burn. It won't smoke up your house. But it will smell like salmon. Your house will smell like salmon, that's for sure. You guys, I hope you like this tip. I was doing it anyway. I thought you may enjoy it, especially if you have furry family members. They're going to love you for this. So again, this is Kristen LeDuc, owner of Porch Nook. This is a short one, guys. I'm so sorry. But I thought it was worthwhile share. You guys have a fantastic Friday. Congratulations on making it to Friday. And you guys take care. Stacy, thanks for the shout out. Love to hear from you from, where are you from? Kentucky, right? Okay, you guys take care. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.